love uploading my recipes to Khal.com because it means that I can share my love for food and vegan food particularly with other people to give them recipes and really simple ideas to try out at home. Hope you enjoy!
Hi, my name is NIKHIL and I am from Mumbai, India. I love to cook and I upload all my favorite recipes only on Khal.com.
Hi, my name is from Abia State, Nigeria. I love to cook and post my recipes on Khal.com.
When I discovered CAROLYN, for me it was like, wow, what amazing website. It's a website about cooking. If you like to cook, or if you like to bake, because I was a baker, if you like to cook and like to bake, this is the website for you, CAROLYN.
Hello, my name is Bartola and I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal. I love to cook and add recipes to Khal.com because it is one of the best platforms that I prefer to show off my recipes and cuisines that I enjoy.
Hi, I'm Cindy from Mexico and I love Khal.com.